So here we have our bundles. I'm going to go ahead and start sewing it in. As you see, you have to come prepared already. Makes the work a little bit easier. So I'm getting one of my threaded needles. We have about 4 bundles of hair. We probably only use 3 depending on how full she wants it to be. So we go ahead and take the, and make sure that it's folded evenly. And most of the time it is, right? So we'll take the folded end, which means that this is the middle of the bundle. And we're going to go ahead and just place a hair to the top edge of the side of the braid. Okay, we'll start here. Sometimes I like to start on the inside, and then other times I'm like, let's just get to the hard part now. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start from here and start sewing our stuff down from the inside of the braid. Alright, so you take your needle, and you put it on this tip, alright, like that. Insert it into the left.